Okay, now I start to wake up this baby. Oh my God. She don't want to wake up.
Hey, wake up. Hey.
Baby.
Hey, baby, wake
Time to
up.
shower. Come on.
Princess, it's time to shower. Wake up.
Look at
Princess.
the baby. Oh my God. She don't
Princess.
want to wake up. Oh, look at that. Oh my God.
Princess,
Very
tingnan mo yung
pretty
pisngi mo,
girl.
oh. Yung pisngi mo. Tingnan mo, dadalawa na.
Come on, wake up, baby. It's time to shower. Yala.
Hey. Imudin mo ang kamad ko. Naipupukaw siya. Hey.
Oh,
Wake
no.
up, baby.
She don't want to wake up.
Princess, it's time to bath. Wake up. Hey. Princess. Hey. Princess, wake up. Princess, wake up. It's time to bath. Hey, Princess.
Okay. Oh. And then? Sleep again.
Hey.
Oh my God. Princess. Come on, wake up.
Hey, Princess, it's time to bath. Princess, hello. Hey.
Princess, it's already 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Come on, wake up.
Come on, Princess. It's time to shower.
Oh,
Hello.
nag-post lang siya. Oh, hindi man magising. Princess, ano ka ba? Halika na, dali, nagising na. Itong batang antukin talaga. Oh, kahit anong gawin mo, hindi talaga magising-gising Princess. Hey, baby, come on. Come on, wake up. Oh, thank you. Come on. Oh, what happened? Hey, baby, come on, wake up.
Princess.
Oh, nagtago lang yung mata niya. Tulog pa rin yan. Princess. Oh, alisin mo yung kamay.
Bulaga!
Grabe, tulog pa rin. Oo.
Binabalik mo.
Sige, kunin mo yung kamay.
Ha? Princess, wake up!
Tulog pa rin siya, oh. Baby princess.
Wake up!
Oh, binabalik lang yung kamay
Na
niya.
ako niyong gisingin, ha? Natutulog ako, ha? Ayan na. Gising na.
Gising na. Oh, tulog ulit.
Ay?
Grabe. Princess, come on.
Hey, Princess! Wake up! Princess!
Grabe, parang ayaw niyang gumising talaga, oh.
Princess! It's time
She
to
is 1 month old only, but she look like 3 months or 2 months. She's already big girl.
Hey,
Princess, come on.
Come on.
Hubaran mo nga, Karis. Hubaran mo nga ng damit, Karis. Tulog pa rin siya, oh.
Ano ito? Princess, it's time to bath. Wake up. Wake up, little princess. Hindi puti ko ay turog pa rin. Princess, it's time to bath. Wake up. Wake up, princess.
Early, nagising din. Nagising din ang batang antukin. Okay.
Masabi si princess na aringasa. Hindi ako mamata.
Okay.
Ayan na, iyak na. Ayan na. Ay, ginising na.
Oh, sorry, little princess. Okay, no problem. Okay. Oh, okay. Now she is wake up. We're going to shower. Okay. No problem. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, madam people.
Ready to bath.